What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments, back with another video. And in today's video, man, today that market was not for the faint of heart, man. The market was down today. Then the market was up today. At first, we was reacting to tariff fears. We thought it was Judgment Day. Then towards the end of the day, we got a little relief. Now they saying that Trump might negotiate on the tariffs. As of right now, we up at the hours. But as of right now, Trump's speaking. So, you know, it could change at any second. But today we did a little bit of everything, man. We took some of our old positions. We consolidated them. We rolled some calls. We made some money off some puts. We made some money off some calls. We did a lot today. We up $440 today. And I'm going to show you all the positions and everything that happened. So first thing with the Palantir position. We did a lot today. So first thing I did was I took all those calls I had and I rolled them all the way out till June of next year, just to be on the safe side in case this thing gets real. Now, hopefully it looks like that might have been the wrong decision, because as the time of this recording, we up after hours, so I might have jumped the gun, but regardless, that don't matter. Because as y'all can see, we got this $89 call right here. We actually hopped on the chart today and bought this when we broke the 200 EMA on the 2 minute. We was up 200% at one point. I slick should have took that 200%, but look like we might actually get it back tomorrow if the market opens up the way they saying right now. And, you know, we got calls and puts at the same time, so I ain't want to take too much off one side, you know what I'm saying? As far as the puts, we made money off puts earlier today and actually bought a lot of shares with the money. But the puts we got now obviously are down. So we got, 3 puts here, about 180 bucks in puts. We down like 30% on them, you know what I'm saying? They're there for a hedge. The market decides to turn around, which has been happening a lot recently. I mean, a lot. That's why we'll do that. Now, you know, let's take a second and get into this history, because when I say I did a lot today, I did a lot today. Let's see. On the 4th. Okay, first thing we did, we sold a put for 113 bucks, bought one for 96 bucks. Sold Serve Robotics. Like I said, I was consolidating all my riskier plays, just loading up on the Tesla, the Nvidia, the Palantir, the SPY, the Robinhood. Not that I don't like a lot of these other companies, but I feel like if my main companies that I believe in the most are on sale, I'd rather get the money there than take the extra risk with a company that I like but it's not as established yet. So I did a lot of consolidating. Same with Cameco. Ended up buying more Tesla. Symbotic, bought more Tesla. Sold Microsoft, put money in the Meta, SPY, Tesla, Palantir. Sold ARM, put into Nvidia. Sold AppLovin, put it into Nvidia. Sold Kava, I think I put in the SPY, Tesla, Palantir. Sold Salesforce, put in the Palantir, Tesla. And stocks like Salesforce, I still like Salesforce, but I'd rather have Tesla, Palantir, and Nvidia on sale than I would Salesforce right now. So that's why I did that. And I actually will probably still be trading a lot of these stocks. We might actually play with the calls on some of them because they knocked them all so low. So that's where I'm at with that. Bought more Palantir, Tesla, Nvidia. Sold Broadcom. Bought Nvidia, Robinhood, Tesla, VOO, y'all get it. Bought a call, that June call. Sold our old calls. We sold a put for 170. One of them went up. I think we did like 50-60%. Bought another put for 105. Then we bought $20 worth of Palantir, $10 worth of Tesla, $5 worth of Nvidia, $10 worth of Robinhood, $5 worth of SPY. Looks like we bought another put. We day traded a put. Bought a put for 149. Sold it for 154. Bought $5 worth of SPY just because. Then we sold another put for 97. Looked like we made a little money there. No, we took a little money off on our shorter dated put, and put it on this other put that expires on March 21st. So we took the little $10, $11 there. Bought more Nvidia, MicroStrategy, VOO. Then we bought a call for 169. And we sold it for 186, did another day trade. You know what I'm saying? I should have held that one because that would have went crazy. I shouldn't have day traded that. I should have swung trade that. But bought one for 169, sold it for 186. Bought more SPY, Palantir, and last but not least, we bought that call for $85. That's ranging between 65 and 200%. So that's what we did today. So like, as you see, we have the $932 worth of Tesla, $900 worth of the SPY. You see Symbiotic, Serve, a lot of those positions gone. We still got Vistra, we still got Walmart. Probably keep those, you know what I'm saying? We're not getting rid of everything, but it was like a lot of our favorite stocks was down. And one thing I will do, whether these tariffs end or not, the stock that I said I was going to keep, the one that's less than profitable and still work with, Oklo. I chose Oklo. It was Oklo, Serve, Symbiotic. And I still like Serve, Symbiotic, but for the robot thesis, I like Tesla better. Oklo still nuclear energy. And you got to take the risk somewhere. So that's the one I'm going to be taking, you know, the risk on. Looks like NVIDIA, we had the $554 worth of NVIDIA. Sold a lot of stuff, bought that. MicroStrategy, bought $5 worth of that. $5 worth of IBIT. Added the Meta. I need to add the IBM. Added the Robinhood. Got a little $100 in Robinhood. Grab cards still down. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do with the grab cards. Maybe they'll bounce back tomorrow. Maybe I need to roll them 2026 the way Trump playing. But tariffs might be over. As y'all can see, the Salesforce and the Broadcom position are gone. Not because I don't like those stocks. I really like both of those stocks. But I like NVIDIA on sale and Palantir on sale and Tesla on sale even more. So that's why I did that. We might be getting back into those at any time. Don't even think we're not getting back into those. We might actually, you know, even buy calls on some of them because a lot of them sold off. Like even Oklo, you know, I always said if Oklo crashed, we'll buy some calls. It's crashed, we might be needing to buy some calls, man. You know, Advanced Auto Parts ain't doing the best. And like I said, as of right now, you know, they might be flip-flopping on these tariffs. That's why we got calls and puts at the same time. Whichever side y'all want to pay us on, we tank, the puts will go up. And I'll be showing y'all the call down 50%. But right now, the puts down and the calls up 65% in count. So, you know, we just get money on both sides, adding to these shares. We up to what? 91, let me see. 91.5 shares of Palantir, you know, from trading. So, you know, we just doing our thing, stacking up these positions, trying to do the best we can. You know what I'm saying? So, let's look at some stocks. Let's see. We had Supermicro up today. A lot of stuff up after hours. I'm going to start, you know, I've been so busy. I ain't been doing my videos early enough with the after hours showing like I need them, but it's all good. We got Supermicro up 8%. NVIDIA up 1.6%, 7%. Palantir up 1%. Like I said, a lot of these stocks up after hours. SoFi was still down 3.4% today. Quantum Trades was down a little bit. Well, half and half. Looks like D-Wave been going up. Let's see. Salesforce was down today. Tesla was down 4% today. Oklo was up 5% today. You know, Bitcoin's trying to bounce back a little bit. Robinhood was down today. HIMS was down a little bit today. A lot of them bounced back because a lot of these stocks were seriously down earlier today. Nike, Home Depot, Visa, all that's still down. People might be running away from safety. Baba is down. I'm looking at Baba. Like I said, we might want to go international, you know, with a pick. We'll see what happens. SoundHound's down. Everything's down. Dell's down. McDonald's up a little bit. Broadcom was flat. I gotta see what they did on earnings. If I'm not mistaken, I think they might have did well on earnings. MongoDB, everything else. So things is mixed, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we got some decent news. We might actually be bouncing tomorrow. We'll see. But as y'all can see, we got these calls and puts at the same time. We haven't really even added to a major position yet because the ones we have been, you know, doing so well on each side either day. So we'll see what happens with that. Let's look at a few of these stocks real quick. Let's start with NVIDIA, these guys. Let's see. All right. Okay. So that's where we done bounced from. Look like we got a small fair value gap right here at 109. Like came down to 110. And we trying to come up. We up after hours too. Not sure the exact amount because I ain't got it on yet. But we gonna see what happens with this. You know, they still need to get back to equilibrium. I need to see them break and close above the 200 from a technical point of view to see if they can get back right. But like I say, right now it's on Trump, so we'll see what happens. You know, we got to take the charts with a grain of salt. It's real macro right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at Palantir. All right. Looks like that same level held, man. The 87 level. Like, Yep. That level held, man. That level held. Knocked us all the way down, like basically where earnings was at. We've been holding this level strong. We did test like the high 70s a few times, but we've been bouncing. So, you know, we've been hanging in there on Palantir. Like I said, we're not out of hot water yet. I need to see what Trump gonna do. We need to reclaim this 90 area. We need to at least break above one of these EMAs. Then we got this fair value gap we got to fight. So, you know, it's a lot going on. But like I said, it's all about the macro right now. It's about tariffs. It's about Mexico. It's about China. Like, that's what's going to determine what happens for now. And last but not least, let's look at the QQQ. So the QQQ had a hell of a day. That's why I say we was making money basically on the calls and the puts. We were up all the way at 502 and all the way down to 488 at one point. So, you know, like I say, this is what my boy Biggie say, this for linemen, not for freshmen. You feel me? But as of right now, we done bounced off this 200 EMA. And if Trump don't say nothing crazy tonight, we could bounce again. So, like I say, I always say on my channel, or the way I look at trading, technicals work when there's no news. Fundamentals overrides technicals. Macro overrides everything. What's going on with Trump, these tariff news, all these changes, this is all macro. It overrides the chart. It overrides, you know, how good or how bad your company is. It just makes things sell off. You know what I'm saying? Unless your company could directly benefit from the tariffs or something. But anyway, you know, just another day in a sell-off. You know, we fighting this dip. We still got buying power. You know, whatever move they come next, whatever they throw at us, we're going to try and trade it. We're going to try and buy more shares. We're going to try and add to our position. And we're going to try and build wealth, as they say. But it's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments, man. Hope everybody's surviving this sell-off. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video.